This video is brought to you by Fulfillrite. Tell me if this sounds familiar. You're watching a video online and it starts with someone unboxing something given to them by a sponsor. Or perhaps a pre-roll ad shows someone unboxing something that they just bought. Or perhaps you're one of the 1 in 5 customers who has searched for and watched a video entirely dedicated to the unboxing of some consumer product you want. Unboxing is a huge phenomenon, and it has been for several years. It's not going anywhere. And why would it? Unboxing videos are a great way for consumers to see exactly what they're buying before they do so. It's also a great way to see real unvarnished reviews from other buyers. That's not all. There is, of course, the vicarious thrill that comes with seeing someone else get something new, even if you haven't yet or can't. It's the consumer product equivalent of looking houses you don't intend to buy on Zillow. Any way you look at it, unboxing matters, and understanding how to create an excellent unboxing experience can be great for your business. But before we get to that, a quick note. If you need help fulfilling your e-commerce orders, look no further. We've worked with hundreds of e-commerce store owners and would be happy to help you too. Go to fulfillrite.com/open to request a quote today. Link in the description. Alright, back to the show. It's one thing to understand why random people on the internet would want to watch an unboxing video, but it's an entirely other thing to understand why it matters to your business. Here are 4 things to keep in mind. 1. Customer retention is more important than customer acquisition. If you played a game of Fulfillrite YouTube channel Bingo, mentioning customer retention would be the free space. We talk about it all the time because it costs 5 to 25 times as much to acquire a new customer than to retain an existing one. All else equal, retaining customers will help your business grow faster than acquiring new ones. Now get this, smart packaging design increases customer retention. As many as 52% of consumers will buy from you again if they are offered orders with premium packaging. They're more likely to remember your brand unprompted, which increases your odds of making additional sales. In fact, even long after the purchase, about 90% of people will reuse a branded box that they find attractive. Bear in mind that perception of what constitutes a premium experience is greatly influenced by first impressions, that is, unboxing. 2. Shoppers will forget about you by default. It's your job to change that. 70% of your customers will visit you once and never return. When you combine this with the fact that customer acquisition is much more expensive than customer retention, this is a very alarming fact. There are so many brands out there and customers are exposed to so many that odds are good that you'll be lost in the shuffle. To make matters worse, many people experience shopping through megastores or mega sites like Walmart or Amazon. Faced with that unpleasant fact, it's clear that you have to find a way to stand out. When your products are sitting in the living room waiting to be unpackaged, that's the perfect chance to make a lasting impression. 3. It gives people a reason to talk about your products. Around 37% of consumers watched unboxing videos in 2017, and that percentage has doubtlessly increased since then. Many really enjoy watching unboxing videos for their own sake, and that's why unboxing videos tend to go viral with little effort. By making your product packaging and unboxing experience attractive, you tilt the odds of being talked about in your favor. There are entire media outlets dedicated to unboxing things all day, every day. Make something worth their time and you could have some free press as a result. 4. Influencers love custom packaging. Influencer marketing has been on the rise lately because it's cheap, targeted, and viewers perceive it as more credible. Of course, an influencer's ringing endorsement only goes so far, especially when money has changed hands. You still have to make an unboxing experience that stands on its own for the viewers at home. Of course, the benefit of creating a good unboxing experience is that you can often get the influencer to react in genuine astonishment and happiness. Even more professional influencers do unboxing videos live with minimal editing, meaning their reactions are captured on camera for everyone to see before they have time to force a smile for the sponsor. Viewers are smart, they can tell real reactions from fake ones. With the case for creating a good unboxing experience clearly made, it's time to talk about how you can create that perfect experience. Here are 7 tips to get you started. 1. Think about the different layers of packaging. Consider for a moment what happens when an item is shipped from Amazon and it arrives at your doorstep. You immediately see the Amazon box and open it. On the inside, you see some air cushions and perhaps some bubble wrap, and then you get to the item itself, which is in its original packaging. When someone receives a package from you, it could be a very different experience indeed. They may receive the box complete with your custom branding on the outside, and then they can open up that outer box to see the product in its original packaging, surrounded by custom packing material or perhaps even a custom box insert to keep the package in place. You have at least 3 different layers to work with when shipping items via e-commerce. Use them all wisely. 2. Brand the box. I briefly touched on it above, but this is important enough to be its own point. You want your customer to be anticipating the unboxing experience from the minute the package arrives on their doorstep. You want that customer to be primed to associate your brand colors and logo with a bright, shiny new widget and the dopamine rush that comes along with it. Skip the unremarkable brown U-line mailers if you want to make a great unboxing experience. 3. Use colors and shapes to your advantage. Brown cardboard and clear plastic filler material get the job done. They exist for a reason after all, but if you're going for a premium experience, use bright and branded boxes with custom color crinkle paper or packing peanuts. If you commit to it, every single item in the box you ship can reinforce your brand. While you're at it, why stick to boring boxes, at least for product packaging? Regular boxes work best in the mail, sure, but there's no reason why you can't put your product in a star-shaped package if you want to. 4. Give out samples or PR boxes. Great unboxing experiences are meant to be shared. If you go to the effort of creating wonderful packaging, you should make sure people see it too. Create samples of your products to send to influencers, also known as PR boxes. This can be a great way to break the ice with influencers you haven't met yet, get on their good side, and get seen by a wider audience. 5. Personalize the experience. No matter how beautiful your packaging may be, the unboxing experience is still generally thought to be a common one. The opener knows that they are not the only one who has opened up a box full of your product, but it doesn't have to feel this way. Little personalization touches like the ability to insert gift messages or personalize parts of the packaging go a long way. You can even insert handwritten notes directed to the recipient if your business model supports it. Remember, the trick here is to stand out among the crowd. One of the best ways you can do this is to talk to the opener as an individual and not as an anonymous consumer. 6. Add marketing inserts. The idea behind creating a premium unboxing experience is to be remembered. By adding a marketing insert, such as a coupon or flyer for other products you sell, you can give openers a reason to go back to your store and purchase something new. Done properly, marketing inserts can be a beautiful addition to the packaging too. 7. Make sure the packaging is easy to open. For all the effort you put into the unboxing experience, remember that the product that is inside is what will last. In spite of all the other things unboxing is, it's also a means to an end. You don't want to annoy your customers by locking down your products tighter than Fort Knox. By putting a little forethought into your product's unboxing experience, you can make customers happy and keep them coming back for more, and pick up some new ones too. Don't underestimate the power of packaging. If you've watched this video and you feel like you might need help fulfilling your e-commerce orders, we'd like to help. Fulfillrite is the most trusted name in order fulfillment. Boost customer satisfaction and scale your business faster with a logistics partner that feels like an extension of your team. Services include same-day shipping, real-time order and inventory tracking, dedicated customer service, and volume-based discounts. Go to fulfillrite.com/open to request a quote today, link in the description. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, take a moment to like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell too so you can see videos as soon as they drop. And now, a parting question. Do you keep old branded boxes? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.